Good morning, students. Affirmation: we are happy, healthy, confident, responsible, and the best at whatever we do. Students, let us start with the second lesson of Unit 1 1.2 Synopsis: The Swiss Family Robinson by Johann David Wies. A little about the author. Johann David Wies, born on 1743 and died on 1818, was a Swiss author. He gained tremendous recognition from his book, The Swiss Family Robinson, in 1812. He was extremely influenced by Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe and wanted to write a story from which his own children would learn. He created the character of a father who taught important lessons to his children. This book was first published and later translated into English after 2 years. Family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. Let us see the meaning of the word adventure: an unusual and exciting or daring experience. Graphic means drawings, engravings. So let us see what advice would Swiss Family Robinson give on the COVID-19 pandemic. The novel, written by Swiss clergyman Johann David Wies, is not just an adventure. It aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, determination, love for family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. It also includes lessons related to natural sciences, good husbandry, and mathematics. The meaning of clergyman is a male priest or religious leader. Prudent means wise or proper use. Husbandry means the care, cultivation, and breeding of crops and animals. Since the novel is a work of fiction, not a fact file, some elements of it stretch reality to a certain extent. Given below is a synopsis and outline of its basic story. Fiction means a collection of information about a particular subject or product. Synopsis means an outline of the plot of a play, film, or book. The synopsis highlights the story of the Robinson family: William, his wife Elizabeth, and the four sons, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Francis, who were stranded on an island due to a storm. William, Elizabeth, and the children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. The other passengers evacuated without them. William and his family, including the young children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, were left to survive alone. They weathered the great storm, waiting in the ship's hold. The ship survived the night, and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. The meaning of stranded is left without means to move. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. In the course of their time at the island, the Robinson family used all resources on the ship that survived in the storm as well as the things available on the island. For the first few days, they had set up a tent with the floor softened with grass. They made utensils out of cords. Over the next few days, William, that is the father, attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass. They cut and spread to serve as their beds. They came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like gourds on its trunk. The father told Fritz the gourds would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. The mother in the family, Elizabeth, suggested moving to a safer place, and so they made a tree house. The sons were taught geometry by the father, which helped them build the house and other useful materials like ladders and sledge for transportation. Candles were made by a waxy fruit, and rubber saps were collected to make boots. After some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. The current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. If they built a house up in one of the larger trees, they would be safe from jackals. She described a perfect tree for the project, and one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were very long and extended straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platforms for a structure. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangles to measure big objects. The next day, only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods exploring and finding such exotic plants as one with waxy fruit from which candles could be made. Fritz discovered a tree exuding a rubber sap, from which his father claimed that they would make boots. Students, based on the explained part of the lesson, answer the following questions. First one, do you know any stories about people who were lost in uninhabited places and were later rescued? Name them. Second one, in what way is a work of fiction different from a fact file? Third, why did mother wish to shift the family to a tree house? Complete the question and answers in the class book. Students, we will conclude the adventurous novel here and continue with the same in the next session. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy with a cheerful smile always.